Hey guys, what is up? It's Dusty here, and welcome back to another crypto video. And guys, today we have a ton of things to share. It kind of feels as if every day is a big day nowadays, but alright. I guess we can't complain, right? All the more spirit, hype, fun, everything like that for XRP. Guys, make sure you press that like button and put down in the comment section if you are holding XRP. All right, put it in the comment section down below. I am hyped up. I'm hyped up. First of all, Baba Kugs just shared this over on Twitter. And little fun fact, Baba is definitely one of the most controversial pieces of the XRP community, as it's basically the groundworks, together with Bearable Guy 123, of conspiracy and riddles. Good things always come in threes. How many XP do you need? 20,000, they say. Do you guys remember Vincent Wilson from all the way back then? How many XP do you need? 20,000 will be life-changing. 20,000 is the year in the year 2020. 5 for November, nothing in 2018, nothing in 2019. 20,000 in 2020 is 117,800. 20,000 in 2022 is much more. There's more to what is said. I'll leave you with that to dig a little deeper. And then below that is 589S Gold Trial. Sir, fair play. I'm just nobody that will disappear once. All is said and done. This is from February 26, 2020, I think. What do we do with that? Very good question. Yet, once more... Oh, the tweet has already been deleted by now. Well, I wanted to say tens of thousands of people enjoy this stuff. Very often these things get thousands upon thousands of likes and people just really go crazy for them. Wait, it's not been deleted. It has. Peculiar. Very peculiar. And this is still up then. I have no idea. But if you guys know anything about it, please let me know in the comments down below. It is really funny to me. Really crazy, but very interesting. All right, then scam alert. Fake Flare tokens offered by Stellar-based wallet. Another day, another scam campaign in crypto. Avoid buying FLR tokens before Flare mainnet launch because they are fake. So this is what they basically just posted a couple of days ago, but I forgot to post it. An entity on the Stellar-based Lobster wallet with the domain blank has been selling fake assets, among them a fake Flare token. Be careful of this entity and be aware of people trying to sell you Flare. The only Flare IOUs are on Poloniex, ZB, BITRUE, and Geodis, I think, another exchange. But you guys get the idea, right? This is fake. If you're buying it over on there, you're most likely in a little bit of a predicament later on because you're not going to be able to get your money back. So be careful with that. I think it's 4 exchanges, though. I thought Geodis was also part of it, if I don't. I think if I remember correctly. Now, on that same note, I just saw something else which you guys need to watch out for. I guess this right here. That's 2 things. XRP Explosion says over on Twitter, hey Vitsevind, what's the XUM token listed on the decentralized exchange? And apparently right now there's a XUM token which people are trying to sell, but basically it's fake. There's no XUM token. XB Labs and XUM Wallet did not issue a token and are not planning to do so. If there is a token issued, it's by a third party and it's a fraud. So quickly letting you guys know that it is fake. It is a warning out there right now. Once more, it is fakey. Now another thing which you guys need to watch out for, this is not professional financial advice, is this. So, it says right here, I am 117 XRP away from my gold bag. I need to fix this. I hate uneven numbers. And this tweet got about 700 likes. I mean, we're not going to talk about the bio right there, right? We're not going to talk too much about that. What we are going to talk about is some of you guys in the comment section here saying, I'll send you some. Yeah, that is well, I don't want to talk about this too much, right? I don't want to talk about this too much. Please, guys, send it to somebody who really needs it. I think if you want to be such a knight in shining armor, send it to somebody who needs the money, not to somebody who begs for the money like that. Then again, obviously your own choice. Just warning for you for this type of stuff that it's gonna be out there. You're going to have to maybe watch out a little bit. I'm just joking a little bit, guys. I know you can do whatever the freak you want with your money. If you want to send it to people, do it. But, yeah, I just thought it was pretty funny that I saw that and it got so much attention. 700 likes is a lot. All right. The SEC attorneys have informed Judge Nedburn that the SEC disputes whether XRP has any utility. If XRP holders are allowed to file an amicus brief, I will be highlighting Arlington XRP Capital along with Spend the Bits and others. Utility defined. Quote, we moved $50 million worth of XRP into our company in 2 seconds and it costed 30 cents. Pretty high. There's no way to do that with fiat or Bitcoin. And that's truthful. It's the truth. And that's, of course, where some of the utility in XRP lies. Now, another part here, what we need to do is have someone look to see who made any large purchases of Ether from the date of the first Hinman email regarding his speech. Any hedge fund make a big purchase the week before the speech, any big buy on June 13, 2018, follow the money. Who benefited? Because right now, there's basically a long question going on around with, let's say it differently. Does it become apparent, is it provable that how can I say that in the best way? We're trying to prove that Ethereum's speech was done in such a way that some people benefited a lot from that. Because William Hinman, Jay Clayton had ulterior motives for it. They basically benefited with their prior law firms if that were to basically pump up or do well. Because they made a couple of big bets on it. Specifically Jay Clayton's law firm. So right now, John Dean is asking this. Are you kidding me? Ether has never been on the prohibited list. That means the SEC employees could buy it. For example, on June 13, 2018, the day before Hinman's speech, but that's not insider trading because Hinman was declaring Ether not a security. It can't get worse. Now, 2 things to say about this one. One, I did read into all of this, and my own personal conclusion is that the SEC stated that apparently XRP has never been on this list because the watch list is basically if it's under investigation, and the prohibited list is only there if something is really under the SEC's jurisdiction and basically classified as a security. What I mean with that is that all entities which do not fall under one category just quite yet are not in the prohibited list. So I'm not going to give John Dean right on this one, guys. I think he's trying to draw a conclusion where it's not to be found. But again, that's just what I've read from the SEC paper. And once more, I don't know the law that perfectly, so it could be wrong. Once more, guys, what I read that the SEC posted is that the prohibited list is only for things which are certainly under the SEC's jurisdiction, like exchanges, basically. You know, anything that is registered with the SEC, if you cannot buy or sell it, it's on that list. The watch list, which XRP is on, is for things which are under investigation. And yeah, Ethereum was never classified as a security, nor was XRP. It's being questioned right now. So XRP is on the watch list, and Ethereum has never been on a list because, well, it's never been questioned. At least that's my thought process, right? So it's not too strange that it's never been on the prohibited list for that matter. Now, but then again, another question that might pop up is like we saw a couple of things ago here. Who benefited? Who was trading it? Who was buying it? And that is also why these documents from, what SEC guys bought crypto is so important. The SEC reveals that XRP did not appear on the prohibited list and only went on its watch list on April 13, 2018. Yet all market participants should have known it was a security since 2013, fair notice or market confusion. But wait, there's more. The SEC also reveals that Ethereum has never appeared on the prohibited or watch list. That means that it had a free pass for all time for SEC employees to buy and trade before, during, and after the William Hinman speech. Yet, the SEC refuses to release any data, even in aggregate form, of trading by individual SEC employees and their family members, and also refuses to release Hinman's meeting calendar or who wrote/edited his Ethereum speech. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. Then a couple of good things, I guess, to kind of end our day off. FTX Exchange is to list ADA and DOT for spot trading. Sam Bankman-Fried, popular crypto exchange FTX, is planning to increase its spot trading offering. The platform is also planning to add ADA, DOT, and AVAX over the next few months. And so far, the exchange has mostly focused on futures trading, which represents about 80% of its business. But getting some more spot in there, you can't really ever see as a negative thing, right? It's good, it's perfect, can't really say anything else about it. And then also on the same note, Polkadot-powered smart contract platform Moonbeam integrates with DeFi lending protocol Cream Finance. Once more, just some nice progress for Polkadot. Kind of feels like an advertisement though, so I don't really want to go too far into it, but just wanted to quickly let you guys know, I am watching Polkadot. I am watching all this ADA news. I am watching everything like that. It's just whenever there's a really big update that I try to report on it. You guys understand me? There was an article in here that we now cannot cover anymore. What was this article? It has just gotten deleted. No way. Let me see if I can still find it. Why? Sometimes I'm so annoyed by that. I have a video ready. I have an entire subject that I want to cover, and then all of a sudden, it's been deleted. What happened? No, I can't find it anymore. That is annoying. No way. I'm really kind of sad about that one. I believe that it was actually a Fortune article that they basically copied from this website, which is why I had it open. Now, let's quickly see. An introduction to Stellar, Mission Control and Consensus. EFIN is set to launch as EFIN Bridge. What should we expect from launch of the Board Ape Yacht Club on Tron? Data shows nearly 90% of the mined has been mined. Bitcoin has been mined. Here's how long it will take to mine the rest, about 100 years or more. Crypto has arrived in Hollywood and the stars are loving it. By the way, I just saw that as well over on Twitter, that I think Jason Derulo, very popular singer and TikToker, is going for Solana. He's been pretty bullish on that. I guess that's pretty cool.